Hey everyone, it's Jared with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be showing you how you can decorate a table runner with heat transfer vinyl. If you're looking to add more flair to your dinner table, or want to add a personal touch for a special occasion or holiday, a plain table runner is a great candidate for stylish customization. With the right heat transfer vinyl and a 15 by 15 inch or larger heat press, you can customize a table runner with details that make it truly one of a kind. Siser EasyWeed Heat Transfer Vinyl has a large variety of colors and styles to choose from. We're going to be using EasyWeed in gold to decorate this table runner for a seasonal dinner. First, if you'd like to create markers for your servingware, be sure to measure them and create their shapes in your design software. To cut transfers for large dishes, you'll need to keep the size of your vinyl cutter and heat press in mind. To apply Siser EasyWeed, set your machine to 10 to 15 seconds at 305 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. Here, we've already cut and weeded the transfer, which will be trimmed down and applied in parts due to the length of the table runner. Place the table runner on its center above the lower platen of your machine. But before applying your transfer on the table runner, pre-press it for about 3 seconds to flatten out wrinkles and eliminate any moisture. Then, you can start placing and centering the first set of transfers. Once ready, cover the transfer with a protective sheet and press. When the machine is done, open it and peel the EasyWeed transfers, which can be done hot or cold. By following the same steps for the rest of the table runner, you'll have a personalized decoration all ready for that special dinner. To learn more about heat transfer vinyl, you can visit our website at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, feel free to call my expert representative at 800-215-0894. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.